Hey guys, so today I have a clothing haul, and I am to Forever 21 and also Kohl's, and I wanted to show one thing I got from Victoria's Secret. I got a little bandeau thing and lace in the back. I got that, and I got it for free because I got reward points, and then I also got a lipstick free and also a perfume mist free, like the Love Spell kind of one. But yeah, it's crazy. And then from Forever 21, I got these pants, which are just stripes, and they're like this, and they're kind of tight. I bought them in small, but I don't know, they're kind of tight. They fit, but they're tight, and I wanted to exchange them for a medium, but I have to go through this whole process because I don't have a Forever 21 store near me, and the only way you can exchange it is if you go to the store. And if you return it to the store, if you return it online, they make you pay to return it online. So, yeah. So then for Forever 21, so I got this tank top, which is like a long, just nude tank top, which I thought was great for wearing under dresses, you know, when you want to wear tank tops, but it's like too, like revealing or something, and that's perfect because it's long. And then I got a lot of dresses from there. The tank top was only $3. These pants were the most I've spent there, which was $19 the pants were. And then this dress is $14, and it is a peach color, and it is a high to low, so it's low, and then it's really long, it's high to low, and it's just like plain like that, and it's a nice like coral peachy kind of color, which I do like. And then I did get this dress. This is a maxi dress, and this was $13.80. And this is just like plain here. The back has a little slit here, and then it's very long, and there is a slit on the side, as you can kind of see. There's a slit here then on the side, and it's like that for the bottom. So I did get another maxi dress, which was cheetah print, but it was real big. They don't have extra smalls, and I usually get an extra small in the dresses, like maxi dresses, just because I'm so short, and it fits better with length. But they don't have them, so I got a small, but they're a little long. They're like really long. So then I got this blue dress, and it's just like a little cocktail kind of dress. It has a little thing here in the back, and it does come with a black belt. This is plain black to go on the waist, but I don't like wearing it. I feel like it makes me look, I don't know. I like wearing dresses without the belt, so I just took the belt off of it, and it's a cute dress then. And then I did get this dress, which is really cute. I think this would be cute to wear one of these bandeaus or whatever with. I have to get a black one, but this is like cute. This is the front. It's real V like this, short, and then the back looks like that. So that's why you would see your bra or something, so the bandeau would look real cute with that. But I gotta get a black one. Then I just got this dress, which is just like buttons here, and real fun. This dress was $12.80, which isn't bad. This one was, I don't know how much this one was. I took the tag off, sorry. This blue one was only $13.80, the one with the belt. I think this one was the same as $13. And then I got this dress, which is, I got a lot of dresses, sorry, and it has a tiger here, and then it is a like kind of really flowy black skirt, but it's all in one. And this would be a perfect dress to wear the bandeau as well with. So I gotta really get a black one. And this was $17.80, and it's super cute. I had to get it. I was like, even though it's $17, this looks really cute. And then I just got a plain pink one. And this is just pink. Real light pink, or hot pink. And this was $12.80 as well. So that's what I got from Forever 21. I did a big order on there online. The only thing, all the dresses have been fitting and fine. I tried them on, so they do all fit. The only thing I wish I would have gotten maybe a little bigger were these pants. But I know for next time to order a bigger size in that. And then from Kohl's, I just got a few things. I got the shirt I'm wearing. It was on sale. It's like a tiger. And then I did get this skirt, which is like leather. It's from their Princess Vera Wang collection. And it was on sale for $9. So I thought that was real cute. And then I did get a pair of shoes from the L, and they look like this. They're wedges, and they're super cute. They're black, and they have this, and they're nice, cute wedges. I did get some work shoes as well, but figured that would be kind of boring to show. They're just like little black heels, but they're really comfortable, and they're from Mud. But yeah, that is my clothing haul, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!